Hello my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are keeping safe and you are keeping warm. If you are new here or you're passing by or someone you come across this video, my humble self is RosesGlam. So today is our day 12 Vlogmas, and what are we doing today? I am going to slay the contacts. This is a highly requested video asking me how I fix my contact, and last time I told you guys that I would not been able to do the contact lens because I ordered a new contact and I've not seen it, but finally they delivered it a couple of days ago. Because I've been busy, I've not been able to do that. So today is Sunday, I decided to do it, because tomorrow is going to be Monday, no time, and today, yeah, I'm bringing it to you. So this is it. I've already opened it from the carton, but this I've not opened yet. I as well bought this. This is the case where you can keep them. All these things I bought from Amazon. Probably I'm going to leave the link at the description box, or put it there so that you can find it and go and get to buy your own. Although the contact, I believe that it came with this, but I bought this one because I usually have a couple of them. Sometimes when I buy the contacts, it will not come with the case, so I buy extra case kit. And when you come to this case, some of them are written here, some of them are written at the back. Like this one is written at the back. The light, I don't know how to do this so that you can see it. You see the left and the right, okay? Simply telling you that this is your right lens and this is your left lens, so you can't mix them together. Whenever you finish, you have to put them separate. So in case you are traveling, you go with it. This is where you can put your solution, this particular one, because this all came with it, and this is what you can use to pick them depending on how you fix your lenses. This is what you can use to pick them. I would suggest, if you're a starter, you go for this, and this one is the one you can use to take it, and it will be easy. Like me, I fix my nails, it might be difficult for me, so this is so easy for me. I use it to take it and go ahead and put it, okay? And it has mirror here where you can look at, okay? So this is how you go in placing them. This one here, and this one there. See, you close it so it will be easy to fit in your bag wherever you are going to. To start with, I am going to open this, and so many people have asked me what color of contacts I wear. I wear practically everything, but I found out that the one that suits me most is gray, and this one is Ellie gray, okay? E-L-L-Y, Ellie, right? If I pronounce it right, it's Ellie gray. So let me tell you something. When you are buying your lenses, you buy and somehow you get your lens and see that it has been already open, never use that lens. Contact the seller. It's not advisable. So as you can see, this one is well sealed up. It's all sealed. That is why I don't want to use the one I have before to do this. I want to get the new one so that I will give you all the guidelines that you need to know when going for contact lenses, okay? And please, before you go ahead to wear your lens, I will advise that you first of all consult your optician. Optician is the doctors for eyes. Consult them, let them do proper check if your eye is suitable or not, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to open this. Let's see how it came, okay? The lenses comes like this. It's one on each pack, or the way, I don't know how to call it, but it's just like this. If you can see, that is the gray, and this one, they have a variety of grays. This is Ellie gray, okay? This is how it is. In the box, it came with the manual, how you can go about it, how you can fix the procedure and stuff like that, how you can fix your lenses, okay? And like I said, it came with this one, and here they didn't mark if it's left or right, rather it came with different design, pink and white. So it's up to you. You choose which one is the right. Is it the pink, or which one is the left? Is it this one? So I will go ahead now to open it, and I'm going to store it in this particular one. I'm not going to use the one that came with it because I have something like that before, and I got confused, I must be honest. So what do I do first? That is for me. Every other person have a way of, you know, taking care of their lenses. You have a way of storing them and stuff like that. So since this one is new, I will go ahead. This is the left one. I'll go ahead. This is my solution. Sometimes when you buy lenses, it comes with the solution, and sometimes it doesn't come with the solution. All you need to do is to go to the shop or go to pharmacy, buy a lens solution. So this is the one I have. Open it. I'll go ahead to put this in it, because I'm going to use this to rinse it off before I go ahead to put the lenses there. Since this is a new container, I'm going to leave the solution in it for like 2 minutes before I go ahead to take the solution out. Hey lovelies, do not mind my hair. You know, the hair is undergoing a special treatment for now, and it's a 7 days treatment which commenced yesterday, and right now I can't take this thing off. I need to leave it here for a couple of minutes or 1 hour thereabout before I go ahead to wash off the hair. And the video for the hair will be coming up, let's say, in 9-10 days. Okay, so don't mind the hair. It's okay like this. I'm looking good like this, isn't it? I'm just looking good. I like this, you know. Allow me, I'm going to rock it outside. Don't mind me. Okay, so guys, I have already taken off the water from here, and I go ahead to put the solution in it, and I will go ahead to open this. Okay, since you open it, anywhere you start with your right, make sure you maintain that one with your right. Okay, so it's here. Open it from here. To use this one got broken, I'm going to use it to take it out. Is here, and I will place it right to the solution in this box. And this one, you don't need to use this liquid, you have to get rid of it. As you can see, it's written. I don't know why this light is so like this. This is the left, you can see the L there. It's my finger to take out the other one. I can still show you, you can use this to take it out. So lovelies, you have already seen how you can unpack it when you get your new lenses, how you can reserve them, how you can store them with your solution and all that. Right now I will go ahead to show you how you fix your lenses without any trouble. Just follow the instruction, and yeah, you will get everything pretty easy, but make sure that your hands are always clean before you can go ahead to do. I'm going to start with the left one. Okay, like I told you all, I'm going to use my finger to fix the left one, and I will use what I bought to fix the right one, so that when you're doing it, you don't need to you know, think, you know, twice. Either you use your finger or use your materials. And thank God this one got broken, so it will be easy. Like I said earlier on, if it's long, I use it might cover, you might not be able to see what I'm doing. So right now I'm going to use this one. So here it is. And one more thing I forgot to say, when you are fixing your lenses, don't put it direct to your iris. Just put it down below the white part of your eye, and it will adjust to your iris. Okay, so when you put it, if you feel anything at all, if you feel anything when putting it, you just have to blink your eye or something, so that it will balance is how it's supposed to be. But right now I don't feel anything, it's so comfortable. I will go ahead to fix the right one. So here I'm going to use my finger in case. Here you go. You're using your finger, whichever way, you just place it here. Normally you take your mirror, but if it's not, you just face your big mirror. That is what I usually do. I don't know how to hold it. You just, guys, while I'm fixing this, I'm blinking. Normally it's not so easy because I'm looking at the camera direct. Okay, so you just have to give it a few minutes to settle, 2 to 3 minutes to settle, or less than to settle. it's so comfortable. You don't feel like you are wearing anything. Yeah, this is it, and you can wear it from morning. I wear it from morning till evening. So this is it. And now we are going to take it out. When we take it out, I'm going to show you how you can gently take it out. First of all, I will start with the left one since we first of all fixed that one. Okay, so what you do is you come here. It's so simple. You just pull it down here, place it in your hand and use a solution there, wash it. You just rub it a bit, rub it. Okay, please make sure that when you are placing it in the box, we are using a very fresh water to do that. Okay, so this is the left one. We go ahead to place it there and add our liquid. And this one, so my lovely creatures, this is going to be the end of this day 12 vlogmas. How do you all find this video? If you love it, if you like it, do give it a thumb up and leave your opinion at the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for the newbies. I do appreciate you all. I don't take your love for granted. Without you guys, there will be no RosesGlam. Thank you so much. And you know what? I will catch you up again on our 13 vlogmas. And don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now.
No, you can't make it in the shop.